So this shows you the instructions. Wow, look at this. Look at this beautiful tank. It is 1/12 scale. It has gull wings that open and closes freely and easily. Front lights, rear lights, and highlights. Continuous spraying up to 8 minutes. 360-degree rotation on the spot. Speed can be adjusted at will. It's perfect for all terrain. It's perfect for all terrain. You can drive 80 meters away from you. You get 2 batteries, allowing for 22 minutes continuous driving each, for a total of approximately 44 minutes total. Batteries charge in just 3.5 hours, and this beast of a tank can crawl up 45-degree angles. With its sleek style and its aggressive look, it's sure to make all the other RC cars and trucks and tanks of the world run in fear. Because when this tank pulls up, nothing compares to it. The performance, the speed, the style, the agility, the looks and sounds of this will shake the ground beneath its tracks. So the controller takes batteries right in here, and for under the tank, for this guy, he would go right in here. So you take a screwdriver and you turn that off, and this says press on and off to turn it on and off. So let's head over here to the gas tank that you see in the back right here. So all you do is you give a little wiggle and it comes out, and this is where you put water inside. So you fill that up, go ahead, put the little cap back on, and you're good to go. Alright, so to turn it on, what you want to do is go ahead and turn the power of your controller on, and then go ahead and turn this upside down and press and hold the power button, and there you go. If there's a loud pitch, a loud hum sound coming from your vehicle, what you want to do for that scenario is then just simply keep this turned on, but turn off your controller for about 5 seconds, and then turn it back on, and the sound should go away, the loud pitch sound. So let's show you guys the smoke feature. Pretty awesome. Now to get that feature, you need to make sure you put water down in the tank as we showed you in the beginning. By the way, you controlled your speed by the trigger, so pulling it lighter and softer. So as you can see here, we're going to crawl by pressing just lightly, and then you push up for reverse, and you just lightly press up if you want to go slow or fast. And of course, different terrain, no problem for this. So these are rocky and wood chips. So a bunch of branches and stuff. Oh, looks like we have a cat.